The static hum of the radio was the only sound in the car, a white noise that had become as familiar as my own breathing. I'd been driving for hours, the highway stretching endlessly ahead, swallowed by the dark. The kind of night where the road feels like a tunnel and the headlights barely scratch the surface of the void. I remember glancing at the clock 2:17 a.m. and thinking, just a little longer. I'd taken this route a dozen times before. A straight shot through the mountains to visit my sister in her new place. But tonight the road felt different, not wrong exactly, just aware, like it was holding its breath. The first thing I noticed was the radio. The signal had been fine. Some old rock station playing hits from the 80s, but then the music stuttered. A single note stretched, warped, then cut out entirely. Silence, then a voice, not the DJ. Something lower, rougher, like the words were being dragged over gravel. You're not alone in there. I jerked the wheel, tires skidding against the shoulder. My heart hammered against my ribs. I told myself it was just interference. Some truckers be bleeding through the frequency. But when I turned the dial, every station was dead, all but one. Static, and beneath it whispering. I turned it off. The silence was worse. That's when I saw the figure, just a shadow at first, standing on the side of the road. No car, no lights, just a man, all too tall. His face tilted toward me as I passed. I didn't slow down, but in the rearview mirror he was gone. I laughed. Nerves, sleep deprivation, the mind playing tricks in the dark. Then my phone buzzed. A text from an unknown number, ***. You missed the turn. ***, my blood went cold. I checked the GPS, still en route, no missed turns, no exits for miles. I deleted the message, a prank. A glitch! The next exit sign loomed ahead, its green glow sickly under the moonlight. The name of the town was unfamiliar, the letters slightly off, like they'd been rearranged. *Briar Hollow. I'd never heard of it. But the sign beneath it, handwritten and nailed crookedly to the post, read, ***, she's waiting. I gripped the wheel tighter, kept driving. The radio clicked back on by itself. A new voice now, a child's singing softly. Hush little driver, don't you cry. I slammed the power button. It didn't turn off. You'll see the lady by and by. The headlights flickered, just once. When they came back, the road was different. The lines were wrong, not dashed. Solid and red, like veins. I hit the brakes. The car skidded to a stop. Silence. Then from the backseat, a breath. I didn't want to look. I had to look. Empty, of course, it was empty. But the seat was warm. The GPS rerouted suddenly, the mechanical voice calm. Turn around. I threw the car into drive, stomped the gas. The trees outside seemed to lean in, their branches scraping against the windows like skeletal fingers. The radio hissed, the child's voice now a chorus whispering. She's here. The headlights died. The car didn't stop. The engine didn't cut. But the world outside vanished. No road, no trees, just black. And in that blackness something moved. A shape, a face, pressed against the windshield. Pale, smiling. Her lips didn't move, but her voice was inside my head. You should have turned. The car lurched. Not stopping. Falling. Down into nothing. The last thing I heard was the radio, clear as a bell, a voice that wasn't mine, wasn't human. A dead signal. Then silence. I woke up in my car, dawn breaking. The road normal, the radio playing soft static. I laughed, a dream, a nightmare, then I saw my phone, one new text, from my own number, you're still driving. I looked up. The road stretched on. But the sky behind me was gone.